it will go ahead and be able to see the new chat. Make sure it looks at the memory, the chat memory, the last like 30 messages in chat, maybe, or X number of messages in chat, put that as a constant as well. So it knows what's going on in the chat. And then it also knows what's going on in my knowledge base. And then it can answer the question. All right. Yo, what up, bro? Hello. Over here on the YouTube side, we got a free AI, OpenAI key, dude. Time to run it up, bro. I'll modify the code to make it simpler and more effective. Let me update the constants and remove the scrolling display. So check interval, how often to check the chat. Nice. Max response length, okay. Chat memory size. All right, dude. Let's go ahead and try this, dude. We could build anything. All right, we could really do anything in this world, dude. Let's go get our Notion here. Google Notion. Inspect. Inspect. You can't do a view page source, huh? Uh, how to copy all of the text in a Notion. I want it all. There we go. All of it, bro. Nah, I don't want all of it actually. Now that I think about it. I actually got a better idea for this. So I got the voice flow, bro. And here in the designer knowledge database. Oh yeah, this is it. So I'm just gonna put my knowledge base in here, and let's go put it in knowledge base.txt. And remove unusual line terminators. Okay. Okay, let's say copy path here. Copy relative path. What is this config, my nig? It's fine. So I don't want this.
Cause you only get one ticket, might as well enjoy the ride and just do what the fuck you wanna do.
So source chat agent. Knowledge base. Cool. I didn't want that in there. I'm not sharing that. Sorry, bro. Sorry, bro. Not sharing that one.